So once you have done with your covering the client, start with your removing your makeup. If your client is wearing any makeup, remove the makeup first and then start with your cleansing. As of now, our client have not done any makeup. They have applied a lipstick. We'll remove the lipstick first. You can also use any cleansing cream, whatever you have it in your salon or in your places. So when you're removing your lipstick, make sure you're stretching the lip and then you started to remove it. If there is any kajal, you can remove it. Just stretch the brow. So one technique like how to remove the products and how to wipe the face, already sir I thought you I think, right, with the cotton. And also there is another way of removing the products and your face. To wiping the face, you can also use with your wet tissue. So just fold it in your finger like this and then wipe it. Yes. So I am using a 4-layer facial from Lotus product. So this is a 4-layer facial. Only the one product you will be removing. Apart from that, you will be creating a layer by layer. Okay, to cover your wrinkles, and also wherever you have a wrinkles, fine lines and all, it just covers it. So each and every product I will be explaining like what are the procedure and also the benefit of each and every step. So this is the cleanser from Lotus product. I am taking the product and we'll start with the cleansing. Anyone heard about this 4-layer facial? In which salon you are working? All salon. Okay. Can I know the name of that salon? Okay, you are using a 4-layer facial. Yeah. Okay, how was the result? Yeah, how much you charge for the facial? 3,500. Basically, this 4-layer facial they charge around 4,000 rupees. Oh, depends on the hair also. But mostly in the brand they will charge around 4,000. O3 plus. cleansing for 2 to 3 minutes. And after the cleansing, if you want to go with like comedone removing, you can go ahead with your steaming. Steam is, first of all, it's not necessary in this facial, but still if your client is preferring, you can go ahead with your steam and your extraction. Because after this cleansing, whatever we are using like exfoliator and a serum and a massage cream and a pack, we are not gonna remove at all. When you're doing any massages or any cleansing steps of the eyes, on top of the eyes, make sure you're using your ring finger. You know why we are using a ring finger first of all? Even in the last facial also you have seen like they were using like ring finger under the eye. Why we are using a ring finger on the eye? Why can't go with like middle finger or any other finger? Exactly. Only with a ring finger we can't give much of pressure. That's the reason we will be using a ring finger on the So after 2 to 3 minutes, just wipe the product after you cleanse it. Cleanse it. So what are the product basically you know it in the industry? Anyone? The products, facial products. We are used to it. ये product industrially ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. Anyone? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಾರಿ ಚೆರಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಚೆರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಚೆರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲೋವೆಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಗ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ, ಸೆನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಮಾ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಲೀಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡರ್ಮಾ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತ O2C2 ಇದೆ ಚೆರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ T10 ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್. ಚೆರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡರ್ಮಾ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತ. Radha, it's a D10 and also we have a facial kit. Yes. Radha, yes. So you have a facial kit, D10, everything you have it in that brand. So now we'll start with the steaming and we'll start with the extractions and we'll apply the toner and then we'll start with the next procedure, because after this procedure we are not gonna remove any product. Yes, to cover your eyes because that is very sensitive area, right? So make sure before you going with your steamer, you have to cover your eyes because this is very sensitive area. They'll get irritations. Cover your eyes and then you start with the steaming. ಸ್ಟೀಮಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಹೈ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದು ಬಂದು ತುಂಬ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟೀಮಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ ದ ಐಸ್. ಓಕೆ, okay, so basically as I said, this is a 4-layer facial. First to cleansing ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು if you want to go with the steam and exfoliator, go ahead like after your cleansing. ಈ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇದು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಫೋಲಿಯೇಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋನಾ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್? Okay, so this is not necessary. Steam and extraction is not necessary at all. If the client is putting pressure, some people are there like ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೇ ಅದು ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಅದು ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆ ಮೆಂಟಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೀಮಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 to 3 minutes and then start with your extractions. If not, after your cleansing, you just go ahead with your removing of your comedones and then you start with your next procedure. Okay. Who have attend the client in the industry? Anyone? Agree with that? Saloon ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay, you have a salon and also plus you are working in it. Okay, how is the experience with the client? Any bad and good experience? Both. Can anyone any incident you can tell them, like for them? Any one incident, bad or good? Anything.
ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 90% ಗುಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಜನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನೋ ಮಟ್ಟಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದೇನೋ ಆಗಿ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ಸ್ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಬಂದು ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಏನೋ ನಡೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಬಂದು
ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಥರ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ.
ಲೈಕ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಅವರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅವರು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ,
ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಅವರು ಏನಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಡಿಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಟು ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಪಿಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಫುಲ್ ರ್ಯಾಷಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ 1 ವೀಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗೋ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ 1 ವೀಕ್ವರೆಗೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಬರೋ ಥರ ಆ ಥರ.
ನೈಸ್ ನೈಸ್. Just coming over this. when you're giving a steaming, make sure don't keep the steamer very closer to the face. Always keep 5 to 6 inches away. Okay, and some people has like a breathing problem. For them and all, you can avoid the steaming. Instead of a steaming, you can go ahead with your hot towel tapping. Just go with the hot towel tapping and then you start with your comedones removal. And there are certain rules for sensitive skin. Anyone? There is a 3 rule for sensitive skin. Anyone? Sensitive skin ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 3 ರೂಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಏನಂತ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Anyone?
ಸ್ಕ್ರಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆಡಿಟೈವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, that is also there. Anything else? You can try it. ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಥಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಾಟು. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್. Pressure? There is 3 rule. 1, less of massage, no steam and no bleach. This is a 3 rule you always follow when you're doing a facial. Less massage. Massage ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಮಸಾಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎರಿಥ್ಮಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫೇರರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಫೇರ್ ಆಗಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಎರಿಥ್ಮಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರೆ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈಪರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, less of massage, no steam. When you go with the steaming, it becomes more sensitive. And no bleach. Already there is a sensitive. If you go ahead with your bleaching, it makes more sensitive. And there is a bleaching where you have from Cheryl's. That is a bleach you can also go ahead with your sensitive, but not for hypersensitive. Okay, they have little sensitive, so we'll just off the machine and then we'll start with your comedones removing. It's been already sterilized. So before whenever you're going with your comedones removing, so while giving the steam itself, you can make it sterilized. You people don't have any doubt with these facials, like how you can maintain. Most of the people when they're coming for the facials, they will ask like how to maintain a skin. How can I maintain a skin? Often I'm getting tan. Even monthly once if I go ahead with the facial, but still I'm getting lots of tan. You know what is the reason? Maybe ಇವಾಗ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಡೈಲಿ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸ್. Of course, daily cleansing is nothing but your CTM. And not only that, you should also go ahead with your SPF to protect from the sun rays. You know what is the full form of SPF? Sun protecting factor. And there is a 2 different SPFs. Anyone? Yes? Yeah. Yes, you know why there is a number? It is actually not depends on the age. There is SPF like 20, SPF 25, SPF 30, SPF 40, and there is 2 different SPF. You know what is it? Anyone? It is all general knowledge. Like you can also go ahead with the everyday basis. Come on. So after removing the comedones remover, you can go ahead with your toner. So most of the people will go with the wiping, right? Instead of wiping, you can go with the tapping motions. Come on, anyone? Anyone know about SPF, right? Most of the people will know about it. There is two different SPF, sunblock and sunscreen. Anyone have heard it? Sunblock and sunscreen. Sunblock is mainly they will be suggesting for this very delicate skins, hypersensitive, dehydrated skin, and who have done with any laser treatments for them and all, they will be suggesting a sunblock, which needs lots of protection. Sunscreen is nothing but the screen. So we have a screen, right? Even if it is sun rays, still it comes inside, but still it protects. But if you see the wall, it doesn't allow any sun rays inside. That is your sunblock. Okay, apply the toner and leave it for 1 minute. Let the product get absorb. And after that, we'll start with your second procedure. For oily skin, you can go ahead, not for the dry skin. But this is not a acetone, it is a disinfectant. We have like Comedones remover, the steel items we have no equipment for that. You'll be using this. This is not acetone. We have a blender. Yeah. This is a layer one, which we call a gentle exfoliator. It does the exfoliator. You know what is mean by exfoliator? Removing your dead cells, we call it the exfoliator. Okay. So after once you have done with the toning, we'll start with your exfoliating. So when you started the first layer, you'll be keep on build upping the product on top of layer and layer. We're not gonna remove any product. So I'm using a machine of brushing unit. Mainly this brushing unit we are using in the sense to cleanse the face. Okay. So we have two different rods. I'll be explaining now. So if you have any itching or yeah. So just for the smooth, I'm just lightly touching the water. And don't concentrate on our cheeks for too much of exfoliation. Why? Because this cheek area will be very sensitive. So if you do lots of exfoliation on the cheek area, they will be getting the red patches. So make sure you are very careful on it. This is your brushing unit. Why we are using in the sense to exfoliate the skin and also to cleanse your skin. Okay. This is a rod which you will be using for a exfoliator, and this is a rod you will be using for your cleanse. Okay. When you are doing a cleanser and all, right, on that particular time just on it. Okay, this is how it works on the skin. When you're doing the exfoliator. When you're doing on the scrubbing or cleansing, you can reduce this one. See, gently. Don't put lots of pressure, just gently touch the skin. It does the cleansing and also it helps to exfoliate the skin. To remove this, you will be having a small rod. You can use it for the nose area and the upper lip area. Once you have done with exfoliation, we start to remove the product. You are getting immediately. Just start with the next procedure. I'm sorry. After your 3 to 4 minutes of smooth heating, we'll start with the next procedure. We're not gonna remove the product.